I like bugs.
Aw, that's
I got you a thing. I got you a gift. It's a little guy. It's like a
Got a prophecy in it. And what they do.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Fast versus slow speed portal. Who can beat these challenges? Starting with
Oh man, I'm so
recreating Plants vs Zombies in geometry. Fast versus
United States, Canada, Mexico.
Wartrox has recently verified cycle.
Sakadung kading padung ding.
United States, Canada, Mexico.
Wartrox has recently verified cycle.
500 cigarettes. 500 cigarettes.
Kaboom! Yes, we go.